Why is a unanimous verdict required? Imagine sitting in a courtroom, listening to the evidence, and trying to decide if someone is guilty or not. The decision you make could change a person's life forever. Now, think about why all 12 jurors need to agree before that decision is made. It might seem like a simple rule, but it has big reasons behind it. In criminal trials, the law says that the jury must reach a verdict that everyone agrees on. This is called a unanimous verdict. The main reason is to protect the defendant from being convicted unfairly. If even one juror disagrees, it shows there is some doubt or concern about guilt. This helps prevent wrongful convictions where someone might be sent to prison unfairly. During the trial phase, after all the evidence has been presented and the lawyers have made their arguments, the jury goes into a private room to discuss what they have heard. They talk about whether the evidence proves guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. If all the jurors agree that the evidence shows guilt, they will return a verdict of guilty. If they all agree that the evidence does not prove guilt, they will decide on an acquittal. But if even one juror feels unsure or believes the defendant is not guilty, the jury cannot reach a unanimous decision. This rule has been around for a very long time. It is part of the Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution, which guarantees the right to an impartial jury trial. The Supreme Court has confirmed that all states must requiring unanimous jury verdicts in serious criminal cases. This rule has been in place for over 100 years, showing how important it is to American justice. Requiring everyone to agree helps ensure the jury takes their role seriously. It encourages them to discuss thoroughly and consider all the evidence carefully. It also makes sure that a conviction is not based on just the opinion of a majority, but on a true consensus. This way, the justice system aims to be fair and accurate. Another reason for the rule is to address concerns about bias or discrimination. When all jurors must agree, it reduces the chance that a minority group's opinion could be ignored or dismissed. It makes the process more balanced and fair for everyone involved. In civil cases, the rules are different. Usually, only a majority vote is needed to decide the outcome. But in criminal cases, where someone's liberty is at stake, the law demands full agreement. This shows how serious and important the verdict is in these trials. From the courtroom perspective, the requirement for a unanimous verdict influences how juries deliberate. It pushes them to discuss every detail and consider all doubts. If they cannot reach agreement after a reasonable amount of time, the judge may declare a mistrial. This means the case might have to start over with a new jury, which can take more time and resources. In the end, the need for a unanimous verdict is about making sure that the decision to convict or acquit is made with the highest level of certainty. It protects the rights of the accused and helps keep the justice system honest and fair. When all jurors agree, it shows that the verdict truly reflects a collective and careful judgment.